Morning. Feeling absolutely rough as an old dog. Just on my way to get James. We've got to get a little job powered up today. We'll show you that, and then we've got to go. Very busy, but I feel rough. Well, this isn't my bit of my job, but this is where I believe it's either this one or could be this one. A steam room or heat pump. Nope. Don't know. One of these has got a 3-phase armoured in here for us. I reckon it is that one there. Oh, I reckon it's that one there, look. Comes down. Oh no, that's the mains. Can't be that one, Chris. What about this one? Maybe one isolated, a single phase. Not going to be that. But that's got 3-phase. No, I'll suss it out. Ah, it's going to be that one there. Look, that one there comes up to our duct. We've then pulled a cable from that. We've got to joint it now. Comes from this board here. There might not even be a device in here. I'll take this off and have a look. Oh, I've got our lid off. There's two, look. One there, it's not connected, and one there's 25, so I don't know where that one is. And also in our duct, there's a little 10mm. It's not in this board, but I'm guessing, that's what they've done, ran a bango. Oh, I see. Okay, so it's one of these, and then we can connect to one of these 32s, 16, a 32 or 32. Right, there's that cable that comes from that plant room. This is our new one. We're going to put a metal adaptable box in there, put some 25mm through crimps, leave it accessible. It's dry on top there. It's only wet because we've had the lid off for about a week, and then that'll give us power down to that new summer house. Right, this is the new armoured SWA, the galvanised wire, and this is brand new, and this is one that's been sat in the ground for a while. See how it's powdery? That's how it goes. It sort of oxidises in the inside, look, but it's still perfectly fine. Just oxidises and there's like a powder on it. Yes, do I wish I would have got a bigger box? Do I, James? Probably. Absolutely wish I'd have got a bigger box, but that's what we got. We've got our 32s landed in, we raised up the timber, the manhole will still go down. We're now going to crimp our cores together, heat shrink, bolt our earths in, do our banjos, and we can forget about that. It is a dry pit, it's only wet because we left the lid off. Right, look, this is what we're going for, 25mm through crimp. We're just gonna S-bend them all on top, and try our best really. I wish I'd have got a bigger box, but that's life. This is what we got, and this is what we're doing now. Real world, remember that, kids. Oh, what a sausage that was. Got him in. I'm gonna mark him up. We'll go and connect him up. We'll do some testing on the other end, then we'll get the lads a socket put in the summer house. Summer house feed, 25mm 4-core, 60mm CPC. Right, we get the lid on. We're gonna go down to the little plant room, connect it up, and get it on and blow the summer house up. Right, James is down the summer house end. He's putting a link between the brown and the neutral. So all I've got to do is test continuity on that one or that one and work out which is our one. There's a pair of legs with some wellies. Look, we're going to go in that C. I think it's a C32, it is. We've identified which cable it is. We did a continuity test on it, and it was that one there. So we connect them in. We've put the lads a socket at the other end to give them some power. Alright, we swooped him in. We put the neutral in. He's got a bit of a gash there, look. So we got a bit of, just pull a 2-inch bit off, mate, and I'll just stick him on. Well, an inch. I'll just stick him on the front. It's got a bit of a gash. See, because this is a little wet cupboard, yeah, James,
Oh, you are?
you can see the external influences, look.
You can.
See all the rust?
You can.
That's had a bit of water running down it, look. Because it's just this block and beam floor. So, well, he's connected in. We're going to go and do a test now, and then we're going to put him on. Right, look, second job of the day, different job. James is just putting in, we pre-wired 3 spotlights in here. We've got to drill back entry off this switch, put a 2-way on here so they can have a switch on here. Said he was going to leave that free, didn't he? He did. Sounds like he hasn't. All right, plasterer, we'll have a look in a minute. And then just add 3 spotlights in this little perch. It's getting good, look. It's getting good, this old boy. Can we get 3 out of 3, mate?
Of course you can.
If you didn't know, that's a DAD, Dust and Debris Eliminator. Oh, rough.
Yeah.
Good job we've got big bezels, mate. Is there a cable there?
There is.
Ah. Strike 3 or out. That's beautiful. Got to get that bath up there now. Good, James.
Fantastic.
Right, that should have been about, how long? About an hour?
Should be an hour.
What's the time now?
3:30, no, 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. So we've been here 3 hours, and 2 hours of that was getting the bath upstairs with the plumber. What was it, 140 kilos?
140 kilos.
140 kilos, so we had to take the banister off, but we've done it now. Bye-bye.